Okay, so good morning all. We will complete the last experiment first and then we will move to the ninth experiment. So 10th experiment is about the Cisco packet tracer. So you need to implement all the topologies in here in this lab. So first we will discuss what is the Cisco packet tracer. So the Cisco packet tracer is a comprehensive tool which is used for the teaching and learning software developed by the Cisco technology, Cisco Network Academy. So Cisco is a company which has developed this Cisco packet tracer, and that is used for the simulation of the networks. So there may be various types of networks can be there, like you can develop different topologies like star, mesh, and other topologies, and you can check whether these topologies are working or not. So what is the advantage of this simulation based learning? First, it will help the students and teachers to collaborate and solve different kinds of problems, learn the concepts, and we are having a dynamic environment for the teaching and learning, because you can see there and you can learn how to solve that problem, and this is some practical things which you are going to learn here. So the other things which supports by the packet tracer, that it will provide you some lectures, individual labs, homeworks, exams, grades will be there. There are lots of competitions which has been organized by the Cisco packet tracers, that will be there, so you can participate in that and you can win lots of prizes over there. So it allows the faculty to teach easily and demonstrate the complex technical concepts which is poorly understood by the students. So you can easily understood these problems by viewing the problems and all those things. So it helps to develop a particular skills which is very useful for the 21st century students. So these are the another benefits of simulation based learning. So it will develop intellectual curiosity and the critical thinking skills in the students. The environment of packet tracer have the comprehension of complex technology concepts. You will able to develop the problem solving skills. You will be very much confident because you have already seen the network, and if you are going to implement that network anywhere, you are very much confident about that. This network is going to work. So there are three ways you can see the Cisco packet tracer. Commands to program. You can visualize the traffic, and you can collaborate with the multiple users. So multi users can connect on the same platform and they can design their networks and they can work on the same project. So these types of different facilities which has been provided by the Cisco packet tracer. So there are different topologies: point to point, bus, swing, star, tree, mesh, hybrid. So we are going to so these are the different videos which you need to see and you need to attempt these exercises. So I am going to drop these links in your chat window so that you can go through it and you can attempt the questions. So we have already discussed about the different topologies and all those things in the Cisco lab process for the homework task. So most of the students are aware about these things, and these are the different tasks. So if you open the canvas, you can move to the lab number 10 and you can write your answers here. So all the task has been given here. and you can learn. So just I will share the first video with you so that you can understand what the difference between hub and switch is there. So you need to see the steps. Don't bother about the sound. आप इसमें लगभग कराओ नहीं तो 6 दिन आए तो टाइम लगेगा। না না তো কালে ফোন করবেন তো কোথায় দিই Okay, so what you have seen, that is the difference between switch and hub. So you can see in the switch, in a switch, the message is stored at the switch and then it is transferred to the next destination address. But in case of hub, the message is broadcasted to each devices and the destination device will accept the address and other devices will reject the address. So these are the different videos, you can go through it. So today's task you need to complete by today. So other video will take you around 20 minutes. So you can complete this video and you can attend that quiz. So that is your task. So now you can give your attendance. Uh, just tell me your enrollment number from the starting one. Bharti, Bharti,
Yes, sir.
attendance, your enrollment number.
Yes, sir. 21.
Okay. Bhavdeep, Bhavdeep, you can type the attendance. You can type your attendance and you can leave.
सर मैं टाइप नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ।
हाँ दर्शन बोलो।
सर
हाँ दर्शन।
सर AI10 मैं टाइप नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ ना इसको।
ओके ठीक है, ले लिया।
सर AI47।
हाँ तो मैं टाइप समीर, you have typed your number, so no issues. You can leave.
Sir, AI 55.
Okay, done. Raj, Raj, Om, Janvi, Harshvardhan. Raj, Janvi, Harshvardhan.